everyone, welcome back to Silent and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with Mzansi Super Stories and namhlanje sikhuluma ngekwababa. Hey guys, kuseyilindaba ngiyamalobolo bakithi kusho ukuthi kuyolotsholwa hayi sobe sesinempunga ekhanda ngoba phela kudala silindile. Well guys, kuleli viki ke bakithi ke indaba ke zamalobolo ke kufanele ukuthi ke ziqhubeke. Into ke ezokwenzeka ukuthi ke uzolakhe ucela ke umfowabo umhlaba ukuthi ayomkhongela ngoba kasamthembi kahle ke ubaba ke umdala uDumisani. On the other side uDumisani nonkosikazi wakhe ke bafuna ke ukuqhumisa ke ibhomu ngale secret ke kazwe lakhe and bazohamba ke baye kwaba kaMtawung ayosho ukuthi this is not about amalobolo but I'm here to protect your family, ukuthi le ndodana le ethi ngumkhize kahle kahle ayisiyena umkhize, not knowing ukuthi uzolakhe has already told ubaba ke uMtawung the full or the whole truth about his life. Asazi noma uzophumelela nicebo ke likababa ke uDumisani who's trying so much to destroy Uzwelakhe. On the other side uKhethiwe will go and confront uma wakho ukuthi sisi ubuhlazo usitshela ukuthi ama-secret ayayidestroya ke ama-families, but why wena usifihlele ke indaba ke engaka? But guys, I feel like ikhona i-justification from TLB, from TLB's side ukuthi why egcinile ke imfihleka ke mhla eyiveza. The way I see her facial expression, you can just tell ukuthi it's not like it's something mhlambe wafebela umyeni wakhe but there is something deeper than that. It might be ukuthi Uzwelakhe uzalela abantu labo antu wakhe ayemdayisela bona and umkhize knew ukuthi ke what happened to yena ke umama lo guys. But anyway guys, we'll just wait for ibhomu to explode ngaleso sikhathi ke ayositshela ngayo ukuthi kahle hle ubani ubaba kaZwelakhe. But abanye they were saying maybe uBahumi noZwelakhe bazala baboyedwa ngoba nangu noBahumi kuvela ukuthi ke akazala uMtawung kodwa wafika esevele ke esekhona ke wamkhulisa. So yeah guys, we can expect a lot from the storyline. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.